Good afternoon, OG Big T here with the Foxi moped. Hang on. Okay, no, that's a motorbike. That's a scooter. That's a motorized bike. That's another scooter. That's a mini bike. That's a pedal bike. Anyway, so put this ignition on, right? And I got a shout out to the homie Cornped because I watched his video about 5 times and downloaded the instructions, and we'll see. Looks like I had spark a while ago. You know from previous videos that I had to change that jug out. The other one I had to saw in half, which is actually over here. Look at the piston. Look at that. Talk about saw 5, man. I had to saw that in half. So that's what got that there. So we've got a new ignition, right? CDI ignition. I still got to wire in kill switch and stuff, but I got spark, I'll tell you that. I won't tell you much else, but I got spark. Put on that new jug. I've got a kill switch I got to wire in there. What else did I do? The carb is leaking. That's the standard Bing carb. You can see all the gas on there. Wow, it's really leaking like a sieve. But I did a rebuild, but you know, we'll see how it goes. I might have to do something else with that. What else? That's the main things, is the ignition, carb rebuild, new jug, got new tires and tubes front and rear, new pedals, not because I wanted new pedals, but because there was no pedals on the right hand side. I think they must have crashed this thing or something. New shocks, because again there was no shock on the right hand side because I think they crashed this thing, and a seat because there was no seat. That's regular carrier, like newspaper carrier, package carrier that's on the back there. I just painted all that stuff black. And the throttle is a regular mini bike throttle. I had tried to get it, in fact I did get a mini bike throttle or whatever throttle with a kill switch built into it, but those are always plastic and very, very cheap. This is metal and I had to rig it up, but seems like it's working pretty good, except maybe something's going on because I can smell the gas and it's all wet. If you can see right there, it's pretty wet. But that's it. The obligatory dice on the wheels. Got to hook up the kill switch and stuff like that. But we'll see how she goes. Might be able to get this thing started and show you a video of this bad boy running. All right, OG Big T over and out.